Have you ever wondered if the opposite of a black hole exists in the universe? This question brings us to the fascinating concept of white holes. These hypothetical entities are thought to be the reverse of the fearsome black holes we're more familiar with. Rather than being gravitational vacuums that suck everything in, white holes are speculated to be the cosmic outcasts, spewing matter and light back into the cosmos. Now, let's dive a bit deeper. Our understanding of white holes is largely based on mathematical models and theories in astrophysics. One such theory suggests that white holes could be the result of a massive star's gravitational collapse. We know that when a star exhausts its nuclear fuel, it can implode under its own weight, forming a black hole. However, some models, particularly those derived from loop quantum gravity, propose an intriguing alternative. They suggest that an extreme collapse might trigger an explosion, expelling the remaining matter into space and thus potentially birthing a white hole. But if white holes do exist, they would likely be rare and ephemeral. Their very nature would make them unstable, as any incoming matter would quickly destabilize them. This suggests that white holes could only exist for a brief period before disappearing or transforming into more familiar cosmic objects such as neutron stars or black holes. Despite this, white holes remain largely speculative. No direct observation of a white hole has been made to date. Their existence is purely a theoretical prediction, one derived from Einstein's general relativity equations and our current understanding of the cosmos. The concept of white holes first came into light while exploring solutions to the Einstein field equations. While no direct evidence has been found, certain mysterious astrophysical phenomena like specific gamma-ray bursts or unusual cosmic ray patterns could potentially hint at their existence. But the scientific community is divided, with ongoing research seeking to either validate or refute these theoretical predictions. So, while black holes are known for their insatiable appetite, white holes could be the cosmic spitballs, throwing matter and light back into the universe. How would a white hole form, and how long would it last? This question leads us down a fascinating rabbit hole of theoretical astrophysics. Imagine a massive star, many times larger than our own sun. Once it exhausts its nuclear fuel, the star's own weight causes it to collapse, potentially forming a black hole. But according to some models derived from loop quantum gravity, an extreme collapse could result in an explosion. This explosion would then expel the remaining matter into space, thereby giving birth to a white hole. But don't get too attached. White holes, by their very nature, are thought to be unstable and ephemeral. Their existence is like a delicate balancing act. Any incoming matter could tip the scales, destabilizing the white hole. The very same gravity that birthed the white hole could also be its downfall. This instability means that if white holes do exist, they are likely to be extremely rare, fleeting phenomena. They could only exist for a brief period before disappearing, or possibly transforming into more familiar objects, such as neutron stars or black holes. Yet despite their ephemeral nature, these theoretical white holes could leave an indelible mark on the cosmos. They could be responsible for some of the most mysterious and explosive events we observe in the universe. Certain gamma-ray bursts or unusual cosmic ray patterns could potentially hint at the presence of white holes. However, no direct evidence of white holes has been found, and their existence remains a theoretical prediction based on Einstein's general relativity equations. The scientific community is divided on the existence of white holes, with ongoing research striving to either confirm or refute these theoretical predictions. But one thing is certain: if they do exist, white holes would be some of the most intriguing and enigmatic phenomena in the universe. So, if they do exist, white holes are fleeting cosmic fireworks, lighting up space with ejected matter before they disappear or transform into something else.